Everybody loves somebody sometime. Everybody falls in love somehow. Something in your kiss just told me my sometime is now. Everybody finds somebody someplace. There's no telling where love may appear. Something in my heart keeps saying, find someplace is here. If I had it in my power, I'd arrange for every girl to have your charm. Hi YouTubers. Thought today I'd do an EDC update. And there's my billfold, same one. Car keys, my fossil watch. Went down to the sheriff's office today and I got my license, my card for concealed carry. That's that little Beretta 25 caliber that I'll probably be carrying when I do carry a gun. There's a little Coast Light magnifying glass. There's some Carmex lip gloss. Well, I got an iPhone. I've never had anything like that before. My daughter bought it for me. And my granddaughter's been teaching me a little bit about texting, and I'm not ready to do any videos yet, but she's working on it for me. Here's a little Puma knife that I got the other day, little Stockman. Pretty nice knife. Here's a Kershaw Scallion. I don't carry that much. It's a nice little knife there. Got this for Christmas from a friend. A friend got that for me, a little Colt peanut knife. And that was nice of him. And this book there on knives, my granddaughter's boyfriend, Alex, he bought that for me. That's a nice knife, or a nice magazine. It's got custom knives, and well, that's about it. I got a few shout outs that I want to do. And Papa Bear, Mr. Coop, 1967, the Swedish paracord nut, it's a wonderful knife, F.W. Glock Guy, Buckeye Sportsman, the Lighthouse Lady. These people got very good channels, and I got a great bunch of subs, and I want to thank them all. That's Pap's Knife 63. Thanks a lot.
So find yourself somebody to love. As sure as the stars.